Today I am going to share with you people my 6-step nighttime cleaning routine. Hi friends, my name is Ankita and if you're new to the channel then welcome. In today's video I'm going to share with you people my 6-step nighttime cleaning routine. I have already explained in my morning cleaning routine why I admire going ahead and giving numbers to the steps that I do in terms of cleaning, unless and until I am 100% sure that I have developed the habit of doing each and every single task. I'm simply going to go ahead and keep it to steps only so that I don't miss anything. I am not trying to achieve perfection over here because perfection I personally think is a myth, but I do want the life of mine to be simple, it should be functional, and my husband and my son, I don't want them to suffer with any sort of lacking when it comes up to me. So this routine, it doesn't make me perfect, but it just brings me to that brick of perfection that we all try to achieve. So I am at a BEP when it comes up to this routine. So hopefully you people might enjoy today's video, find it productive. If you people do, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And with that, let's just get started. Now my nighttime cleaning routine is usually 45 minutes long, in which after my son goes to sleep, I would normally do the step 1, which is I'll accumulate all the clothes from the entire house. Now usually we have clothes everywhere, like in the 2 bathrooms and a few bits and pieces over here and there. Like I have a son who's very young, so yes, of course I have clothes all around the house. So I'll just simply go ahead and collect all the clothes and put a load of laundry with an alarm on it so that my machine can wake up 6 a.m. in the morning and simply go ahead and wash my clothes once I am in the form of just drying them out. So that is my first step, collecting the laundry and putting my machine into motion. Step 2 is washing utensils. Now I have a maid who comes to wash utensils, but I usually admire cleaning the utensils a little bit, the bigger ones, and the smaller ones like the glasses, the bowls, the plates and all stuff, good stuff. I just admire cleaning them up and just putting them upside down so as to make sure that they are dried out up till morning so that I can just place them back to the places they belong. So cleaning utensils and my sink area is something that comes the second. Then the step number 3 is a quick wiping of the countertops and putting away any more things, any more toys, any more stuff, pillows or anything like that which is like out of place, back to its place, so as to make sure that I don't have to wake up in a messed up house. Like a dirty house, it's fine, but a messed up house is something that I don't admire waking up on. So in the morning I'll go ahead and simply dust off and my house won't look dirty at all. So that is something that I would normally go ahead and do. Now the 4th step is I would simply go ahead and clean my gas. I love waking up to a very clean kitchen and a clean gas so as to make sure that I can go ahead and make my tea very easily. So that is something I would normally do. So step number 4 is cleaning my gas at any cost. Step number 5 is folding away the laundry and putting it back to its actual place. Now laundry I personally think is very underrated, but the fact is that it takes a lot of time because you have to wash, you have to dry, you have to fold, you have to place back. It's the most hideous task, the most hated chores that I have, but simply you have to do it. So what my usual schedule says that in the night time, after I have completed all the work, I would simply go ahead and fold away any laundry that I have and I will place it back to the actual place that it belongs. And step number 6 is arranging the hallway. Now the last thing that we want is to wake up and see a huge mess around. So what I normally tend to do is I admire arranging my hallway even before I go to sleep. So my hallway has an entire set of dining area which I don't treat as a dining area. Then we have our hall, we have our kitchen. So I would normally just go ahead and pick up any bits and spare pieces which are there that are not supposed to be there, and I'll make sure that everything is looking functional and everything is in order. So make sure that I don't have to wake up in the morning and think why my house is not looking good enough. So I would normally arrange the entire hallway, make sure all the toys are put away, my pillows are working fine, my sofas are looking good, my table is at the exact center place where it is supposed to be. each and every single thing. Organizing everything is something that you would start loving once you will start doing it. Like nothing better than waking up in a perfectly organized house. So with that, I finished my 6-step 9-time cleaning routine. Hopefully you people might have found this video productive. If you people did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, don't forget to tell me in the comment section below if there is something else that you admire doing before going to your bed, and I'd love to incorporate that in my routine as well. And with that, I will take your all leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye.